Today we're going to talk about math. I will talk about face value and number bonds. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Learn with Hadiya. I'm going to give you 3 tips to add up big numbers. Firstly, we will look at the operation symbol in the question. Then I'll see which way is matching it the most to make our calculation easy. It means that I'll think to split the numbers to make number bonds 5, 10 or 100. That will make our calculation easy. For example, 98 add 24. We just noticed that 98 is close to a base 100. So we're going to split 24 into 2 and 22. So the 2 will go into the 8, it will become another 10, and then this will become 100. And the 24 will become 22. Now it's easy to add 100 and 22. So the answer is 122. So another example. 26 add 19. 19 is close to a base 10. So we're gonna split 26 into 1 and 25. So the 1 will go in 19. It will become 20. And then over here the 26 will become 25. Now we have 25 add 20. Now we will add 210 into 25. 35, 45. So 45 is our answer. In this column method, we'll add the 1s into the 1s and the 10s in the 10s. 7 add 3 is 10. So 0 will go here and the 10 will go in the 10s column. So 40 add another 10 is 50. 50 add 40 is 90. So the 9 will go there. The answer is 90. List them in column and add them with the same face value. It means add the 1s in the 1s and the 10s in the 10s. But don't forget carrying if applied. Please subscribe my channel and my Facebook group. Thank you for watching.